always a space for something new.
I will share with you, with myself and Brandon from Rocket Drones, how we are using not just the drones for fun and for drone racing and for obstacle course, but how we are using drones to influence students in schools.
You know what the coolest drone in the world is? Hands down, like no argument, the coolest drone in the world is the one that you're about to design and turn into the next big thing so I can invest in you because I believe in what y'all's minds can do.
Go up. Nice.
So every maneuver that you're doing as you're going through this program, you're learning exactly what we do in the industry. From pipeline inspection, to solar inspection, to search and rescue, to the movies, which are a ton of fun.
I want to thank Mr. Simit for his support over the last couple of weeks as we work together to make this great idea possible. And I also want to thank all the students, the teachers for their support in bringing the students out, for the excitement that was created. We want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. We couldn't have done it without you.
Did you guys have fun today? Yeah! Did this open your eyes to possibly something else that you might want to do in the future? Yeah! These are skills, and even if you don't fly a drone, these are skills that are needed in the jobs that will exist when you guys are ready to enter the workforce. So we thank you once again. Thank you so much. This was fantastic. And we look forward to being able to implement some of these things here for our students.